If you are holding cryptocurrency, you are literally living in the times that they are building out the framework worldwide for us to have mass adoption for the entire world, guys. Take a breath, hold on, follow me. No, this is not financial advice, but let's go deep on this one. But first, I want to thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. We have been doing YouTube for about a month now, and you guys are absolutely blowing me up. 400 subscribers, 318 in the last 28 days. That is absolutely insane. I like me to come out here and do something like this for you guys. I honestly understand that I'm providing you guys value, but I didn't think that we would grow this fast, this quickly. So thank you guys so much for that. If you guys are watching this video, please like and subscribe. Show me some love. We're going deep in here to kind of release the FUD and show you exactly where this cryptocurrency industry is going, and showing you exactly the assets that you hold if you are holding them, and then showing you even ways that you can obtain these cryptos. So lock in here, guys. Show these videos to your friends and family, because I know when you guys talk about crypto, they all think that it's a fraud. They think you're crazy, so on and so forth. So if you're tapped in here, you're at a great time to be alive, a great time to be investing in these cryptocurrencies. So let's get the video started. So first, we have over the weekend, we're here at CoinMarketCap. We have an article that says India's landmark crypto regulations set stage for widespread adoption. Guys, over the weekend, the G20 summit, they met and they put out some crypto regulations here. And if you do not know, the G20 basically is the biggest members across the world. They have a lot of the BRICS nations in here. You see Brazil, China, India's in there somewhere. There's India. If we go back here, the G20 is important to us. Why is the G20 important to us? The G20 brings together the world's major and systematically important economies. They hold about 85% of the global GDP, 75% of international trade, and 2/3 of the world's population. Guys, massive, massive, massive summit that just happened here, and they are talking about cryptocurrency. And let me guess, the mainstream media is not even talking about this. Anyways, I digress. It says, at the recent G20 summit, India supported global crypto standards that recognize crypto innovation potential while mitigating risk. The seismic policy shift ends years of uncertainty and positions India as a leader in the Web3 economy. This is coming. They go on to say, India's central bank had previously imposed a crypto ban, but the decisive embrace of virtual digital assets signals a new era. How did the world's largest democracy go from crypto skepticism to trailblazing regulation? What comes next for crypto in India? And could decentralized currencies help fulfill the country's digital ambitions? This article explores India's crypto revolution and its promise for the future. Actually, going into this article, guys, this was published on the 11th here. It says, leaders of the group of the 20 nations agreed to give global tax authorities greater insight into cryptocurrency transactions, a sign of emerging international cooperation in crypto, even if it takes years to implement. And listen, guys, if you're tapped in here, we're not going to be the channel to tell you that XRP is going to $1 million in the next 5 months or so, okay? Take a look at what this article has to say. It says the G20 declaration includes the Crypto Asset Reporting Framework, or CARF, which has measures for global tax authorities to share information on crypto transactions between exchanges and wallets in a bid for more holistic tax coverage of digital assets. The G20 tasked the Global Forum on Transparency and Exchange of Information for tax purposes to identify and appropriate and coordinate timeline to commence exchanges, noting the aspiration to start the CARF crypto tax exchange by 2027. So if crypto is not going to be utilized, why are they trying to make sure that people have, that they pay their taxes on this? Also, guys, they say that this is going to be starting to take effect by the year 2027. So we must hold on. We must center ourselves, stay tapped in here just to see that we can see that the framework is being laid. Is not going to happen overnight, guys. Okay, so stay with me. And if you're liking this, guys, go ahead and subscribe for more. They even confirm this here. While global crypto rules remain nebulous and slow to form, The ability of the G20 to reach consensus on frameworks is an encouraging sign that the regulatory progress is possible. While the European Union earlier this year passed laws sweeping the new crypto regulations, progress remains slow in the United States. We all know that, where it increasingly looks like Congress won't pass any more crypto bills. But hold on. I got a little bit more for you. We have Citibank here. Citibank has a document. It is called Money, Tokens, and Games. This is from their website. You can see the document here. Guys, this is 162 pages worth of research and information that they produced March of 2023 this year. Guys, go check this document out for yourself. Money, Tokens, and Games. On the 4th page of this document, they say trillions dollars of value, the opportunity, $187 trillion in non-financial corporate debt, $20 trillion by 2030 in real estate funds, $7 trillion in private equity by 2030, $42 trillion in security and financing, $12 trillion in trade finance, all by 2030, guys. And this is the 4th largest banking institution in the United States, with a document with 162 pages of information that just came out this year. And look who was a part of this document. Guys, we have Zenfin, that is the XCC network. We have John Wu, president of the Ava Labs Avalanche. We got Polygon Labs on here, Aave, and then we also have some representatives from Citi as well that are all in this research, putting together this document, 162 pages that they want you to know about. So we got the BRICS nations of the G20 all coming up with regulations for 2027. Citibank says trillions, hundreds of trillions of dollars by the year 2030 coming in by 2030. If you go to Visa's website, they are now talking about crypto. Visa unlocking crypto opportunities, crypto's potential with a pioneer in global payments. So they're starting to talk about crypto. An article that came out earlier this month saying Visa taps Solana and the USDC stablecoin to boost cross-border payments on their platform. And then last but not least, I'll end this video here for you. We have on Swift's website, from the horse's mouth, guys. This is on Swift's website. They go on to say right here that they are talking to banks around the world, right? They say you might want to prioritize a corridor for your migration to the ISO 222 messaging system. Note that for payment and cash reporting flows, there is a migration period until November 2025. After this coexistence period, the MT messaging system, that old messaging system on FIN, will be removed for the ISO 222 messaging system. So they have a strict deadline of November 2025 that they're telling all financial institutions that they must be using ISO 222 messaging system. Once again, please go to their website, find this article on their website for yourself so you guys can understand what you hold. And just to refresh your memory, the ISO 222 messaging standard cryptos that are compliant and that the whole world is talking about implementing: Ripple XRP, Stellar XLM, great. We got HBAR, we got Constellation DAG, Quant, R3, Ethereum's hidden in there, Consensus, we have Circle, XDC, Algorand, and IOTA. Once again, you guys can go see this for yourself. This is the whole grid that all these coins are going to be implemented in the new financial system that will be live, says by Citibank, trillions of dollars by 2030. Guys, so take a deep breath. We are in the 1995 to 1998 realm of the internet before everyone thought the world was going to end in 2000. There's a lot of stuff going on geopolitically, macroeconomically, the whole World War III talk going on. If you guys are watching Twitter or paying attention to all this crazy stuff that's going on, they will FUD you out very, very, very quickly, guys. I feel like that is all intentional. So you guys tap in here. We'll keep it cool, calm, collected, level-headed out here, and we'll make sure that we know what we have holding what we're holding, and we'll move forward with this. And I'll continue to show you guys what I see on the back end behind the curtain, and then try to bring that to life for you. So like, comment, and subscribe for more, guys. I have a lot more information to go over with you. And yeah, let's get some comments out here. Tell me what you guys want to see, more information that you guys want to know. That'll help me bring more videos to you that that you want to watch. So love you guys. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you.